Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So today we're just going to use some random items. We're going to put them together and see what we come up with. We have some leftover cream cheese here. I softened it up a little bit. Then we had some chili with no beans that was left in the fridge. Then I found that I had some crescent rolls. We have some onion, and I opened up some mozzarella. Let's see what we put together here, guys. So we have, and this, like I said, is from the can. And we're gonna chop up some onion only because the onion, believe it or not, when this goes in the oven, stays kind of crispy. So let's just put some onion in there. I like to try these new things, and my son likes them. I just keep making them over. We are going to put, we're going to put this leftover cream cheese in there. Okay. We're going to add some mozzarella cheese. It's about elevating something that's inexpensive, but that's yummy. So that's what we're doing here. We're just gonna make something that's out of the can, tastes good. We're gonna put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And we're gonna mix that around before we open the crescent rolls. And this cream cheese is just gonna make this so delicious, so creamy and cheesy. And the onions will not cook all the way through, giving it that little crunch. We like that little crunch. We'll have Matthew try this, and then he'll let us know how it tastes. See, isn't that nice? Nice and thick. Let's see what we can do here. I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Well, let's go up to 375. Okay. This is nice and thick. I'm trying to figure out if I should use a pie pan. That might be a good idea, but while I'm deciding, let's open this up. I don't like this popping sound. I don't know, I never know where that's gonna go. All right, so let's see what we have here. All right, so we have 4 pieces. Let me see. I think I might want to roll this out. Just to make them a little bit bigger, let me get some flour. Just want to put enough flour so that the dough doesn't stick. I might need to use a muffin pan just so we could stand these up straight. Isn't that nice? And then I think I'm going to pinch muffin pan. And I only have this size, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the pan. And we have 4, so that's what we're gonna make. Let me move this back a little bit so you can see. All right. So I'm gonna take this, now that I pinched the bottom, and I'm just gonna fold it up and pinch the sides here, just so I can place it in this muffin pan upright. I don't know if you could see that. Yes, isn't that cute? All right. Try to close this one. I don't know what I did here, but no matter what, it's gonna come out delicious. Okay, and I'm gonna fold this, pinch it, and place it in here. No specific shape or anything like that, guys. I mean, I could stretch this one out to kind of keep it looking similar. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. We're just trying something new. And no matter what, it's going to come out delicious. All right, so we are going to fold this over this way, fold this over this way, and then fold this down. We're gonna pinch. Look at that, just as I get going, I only have 1 left. I just wanna see what this comes out like. Let's put this back here, and then I have 1 more. It anyway. I love trying these things. Let's see. I need some more space this way. How we're gonna wrap this. Oh, guys. Into the oven it goes. I'll keep checking it. I'll check it after 20 minutes, see what we're looking like, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I think we got about 20-25 minutes go by. I just got through washing this bowl, pulled out this beautiful wooden tray. I love serving in them now. Make sure and go to my community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for all of you to enjoy. Okay, so I also warmed this up in the microwave. This was the leftover. Isn't that delicious? Looks so delicious. Alright. Now we're going to put this in the sink and we're going to pull out those crescents from the oven. Let's see how those came out. Oh my goodness, they look delicious. Who knew? Who knew? Okay. Now, let me get another fork so I can get those out. Let's see. Now you can't see me, but look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh. That looks delicious. Doesn't take much to put a charcuterie board together, guys. We have a collaboration coming up, and you can serve anything. This looks amazing. All right, I'm gonna go and give this to Matthew. Let's see what he has to say. That looks so good. Okay. Let me do the reveal and take this to home. I'll be right back. So Matthew's over here. He's gonna taste it because those croissants right there are pretty hot. Let me know how it tastes.
Really good.
Amazing. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.